Eliza, this is Chris. What the fuck are you doing? What, you can't fucking just call me all the time like that. Just leave me the fuck alone, alright?
Here's us together. We look so cute. Here's your house. And a night shot at your house, too.
And then you play games with yourself in your head, and this loop plays over and over again in your brain, and you're like, well, maybe I'll call him. No, that's being too Fatal Attraction-ish.
There he is.
If this is all I get in a lifetime, then that's enough.
It's just like trying to fill this void, I guess, that we all have. I don't have like somebody that really loves me, so I'm gonna go find something that kind of resembles it.
Christopher, are you there? Honey.
One day, he literally disappeared. I came home one day, all of his stuff was gone. And then that's when I became insane. I know I've said it 100 times, I'm gonna die.
To replay, press 4. To erase, press 7. To return this call.
Eliza, this is Chris. What the fuck are you doing?